Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an email account. Watch complete video to see the complete process. Let's go to video, open up your Gmail, click on your profile, scroll down and click on add another account. Now click on Google, click on create account, click on for my personal use. Now add your full name here. Add your name and click on next. Add your birth date, select your gender and click on next option. Create your own Gmail address. Create a Gmail address which you want to create. Then click on next. Create a strong password. Then click on next option again. Review your account info. Your account has been created. Click on next. Scroll down. Click on I agree. Your account has been created.